Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Zombies Garage. Sorry for the long space here between episodes. Since the last episode, I was actually hired on to a local agricultural company where I manage a shop where I build and repair equipment for farmers. Honestly, the job of a lifetime. Always wanted a shop that I could manage myself, and I work for a great group and a great company. Anyways, what we have here today is a lawn garden cart. I was at the dump today, taking some trash, and I saw somebody throwing this away. And I saw it. I noticed it was rust-free, dent-free, pretty much. And the only issue, it literally was missing a wheel. So I asked the guy what was wrong with it, and he said the wheel fell apart on it, and he thought it was trash. This is an agri-fab unit, and if agri-fab makes pretty good equipment. Uh, so I told him I'll take it off his hands for him. And basically, here's the major issue. Well, the back deck part is bent up when that's not too hard to fix. And here's one of the tires. Obviously dry rotted, probably tube shot. Not a big deal. Those are fairly cheap. I'm gonna grab another wheel for there. Here's what's left of the old plastic bearing from the other wheel that's missing. It's jammed in there pretty good. Honestly, should be a fairly straightforward fix. Like I said, this whole thing is pretty straightforward and nice, so stay tuned. We'll get some parts here, we'll get some wheels and tires, and we'll see where we end up. Alright, welcome back, everybody. Went ahead and got the new tires for this. Sorry for the dim light right now. But anyways, back onto this. The wheels are a little bit smaller than the stock original wheels. So we're going to be putting things together in a short order. We'll put some of these washers on here. Axle. I always had a preference way of putting these things together. I've put several of these things together thanks to my work. Now, these wheels are a little bit thinner than the original ones, which I can't exactly find anymore, so I'm actually using the plastic bearing out of the old wheel as a spacer. And it should give me enough room. Let's see here, this plate goes on like so. This helps center it. And here comes the fun part, aligning all that up. Yeah, that's always fun. All that fun noise. And let's get the other side on. Alright. Throw everything on here. A few extra spacers to help line everything up. Let's see how much we have in the end. And that's the perfect amount right there. So we're going to put the clip on. We got good spacing right there. So let's go ahead and flip this over. These are always fun, especially on concrete because you make that nice scraping noise. There we go. Alright. Perfect. Make sure everything works correctly. Yep. I'm going to give it a solid washing. And doing some repair work to this, which should be alright. Not bad for free, I would say. It's amazing what people will throw out nowadays, thinking it's just junk. And all I ended up needing was 2 wheels, which you can get at any store. Well, any hardware store, agricultural supply store, tractor supply store will have those wheels. So next up, we'll go ahead and fix this tailgate here, and we'll see where we're at. Alright, we got some bent up corners there. Some bends up there, and some bends there. Which is leaving this thing kind of not that solid. So I'm going to go back to, get you centered back up there, my preferred method of using vice grips to fix metal. Because when in doubt, use the wrong tools. And voila. It's better than it was before. A little more straight. It should fit just fine. And let's just adjust the camera there. There we go. And let's put her on. And there you go. A free with simple repair done to a cart. Imagine somebody just thought this was trash. Well, we'll see you next time. And they look like a match made in heaven, don't they now? Alright, I just want to address a few things. I know this is a channel that I kind of started up. I had a channel previously that was shut down during the ad apocalypse thing that happened a few years with YouTube. And this channel, originally I started it back up as something to go with my hobby of fixing things up. But with the new job that I took on late last year, I just haven't had the time. I've actually got rid of a lot of the projects that I did have. I even had a chainsaw that I miraculously got for really cheap at a yard sale, and it was a super simple fix. I ended up getting rid of that and a lot of other projects. So currently what I'm doing now is I'm probably just going to have a lot of other little projects. I like to shoot guns and things like that. And various other little jobs here and there. And it's going to be, I think the page is going to be more of a general everything that catches my interest versus to what I had before when YouTube deleted everything. So stick around and hopefully I can update more often and keep you all entertained. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.